What if you could turn back time in 2 minutes? Could you believe it? Before we start, I have a question. Is anybody looking for products that make your skin shine and restore moisture? Or anyone who is concerned about your skin trouble or skin damage? Or those who are interested in fighting against skin aging? Well, you want to pay attention to these products. I'm going to share some magical power about this guy. Let's dig in. First, let's start with the design. Actually, I love this design. It's covered with rose gold and light pink colors, which I really like. The cream is light pink color that makes the whole design really well matched. It comes with a spatula. You will love it. I will show you how to use it. Just take a bit of cream with the spoon side, put it on your skin. Also, on the other side, there's a special lovely massage ball. You can give a nice gentle massage. This is the key point. The gentle massage helps the product absorb deeper into your skin. This is what makes the product incredibly effective and make the difference in your wrinkles. Second, this cream pudding-like texture is essential to the moisturizing effect. We squeeze all the great effective ingredients we can into it that will make your skin fully rich. Okay, I will show you the magic of this product. I will dip into the product and take a small amount out of and see what's happened. Look, it looks nice and freshly brand new. This is the same effect it will have on your skin. This cream is like a time loop that will bring your skin back to the time when your skin was most healthy and useful. It is all about anti-aging. The third, this cream has a high hydration function that will make your skin moisturized, bright and shining. Take a bit and apply it to your skin in small amounts, or you can put in even more if you like. It depends on if your skin type is dry, oily, or combination. Maricososide and central H-tica extract are included to aid in repairing damaged skin cells. This happens when your skin barrier is getting weak and damaged because of the sunlight, blue light, or dust. This cream is the secret to heal and recover your skin barrier and protect it from further damage. Not only that, one of the main ingredients is peptide. Peptide is the product used most commonly in a Botox injection. But that's not it. This cream has even 7 anti-aging peptides inside that makes incredibly effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines. This cream, La끌LaRa Prepare Anti-Aging Cream, has been born through many experiments cooperating with experts. This cream is open for everyone, no matter who you are. Take the guessing out of your skincare. LaculLaRa Prepare Anti-Aging Cream is your answer. Don't hesitate. Why don't you start?